Tired of manually entering every single PayPal transaction into QuickBooks? Let's ditch the tedious data entry and connect your PayPal account to QuickBooks Online in just a few easy steps. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Now, navigate to the Banking tab on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see an Add Account button. Click on that to begin connecting your accounts. In the search bar, type PayPal. This will bring up the PayPal option. Select PayPal. QuickBooks will now take you to a secure PayPal page where you can authorize the connection. You'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account using your PayPal email address and password. After logging in, carefully review the permissions QuickBooks is requesting. This includes access to your PayPal transactions. Then click Grant Permission to authorize the connection. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to QuickBooks Online. Your PayPal account should now be listed on the banking page, and QuickBooks will automatically start importing your PayPal transactions. Now you can review and categorize each transaction, ensuring your books are accurate and up-to-date. This is where you assign each payment or expense to the correct category, your chart of accounts. And that's it. By linking your PayPal account to QuickBooks Online, you'll save time, reduce errors, and gain a much clearer picture of your business finances. Happy accounting!